Why do 90% of League crashes happen right before a ranked game? Could it be the dreaded graphics error? Let's get you back in the game in no time. First, update your graphics drivers. Press Win+R, type DXDiag, and check your graphics card under the Display tab. Head to the NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel website and grab the latest drivers for your card. For a super clean install, use Display Driver Uninstaller in Safe Mode. Next, try disabling full-screen optimizations. Right-click your League shortcut, hit Properties, Compatibility tab, and tick Disable Full-Screen Optimizations. Hit Apply and OK. Easy. Still stuck? Delete your config files. Go to C Riot Games D League of Legends config, and delete game.cfg and input.ini. Or, launch the Riot Client's repair tool. Just head to Settings and click Repair. And here's a pro tip, always run League as an admin. If nothing works, don't panic. Sometimes a fresh reinstall is your best friend. You got this. Now go claim that victory.